Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So we have successfully completed the creating of this new contact and also showing of this contact details here also we have completed it. Now it's time for us to work on this edit page. So right now we don't have any functionality for this edit page. So let's try to design this edit page. For this one what I will try to do is I will create a new file that is editcontact.jsx. So this is the file which I will be trying to create. We will add a route for this one also. So this is our edit contact. So here in our thing we will write export default function edit contact. Okay, and we will write it like this. And for this one, so return div edit contact. Okay, now I want to add a routing for this one. So let's go to the main.jsx, which we will have all the routes. So here in our children route, so here in this one only I need to show it. So I can have a path. So I want to have whenever the user opens contact/contact ID/edit. So if you opens the edit, so where this contact ID is a dynamic one, I want to load the element edit contact. That's it. So now whenever I try to go /edit here, so we will be able to see edit contact. Why we are not able to see? So this one, oh, here is wrong, element, right? So we should be able to see edit contact. I think what has happened, edit contact, and here export default function edit contact, and we are returning the file data edit contact. Let's go to the inspect element and we will see it. Console, oh, there is error. I think functions are not valid as React18. What is happening here in this one? Path contact/contact ID/edit, and I am trying to load the element edit contact, and it should be imported from the edit contact. And here in this edit contact, export default function edit contact, and I am trying to return the value edit contact. Fine. So what could be the issue here? Oh, I should call this function as a component. So this is some problems we will have it. Fine. So now we should be able to see an edit contact. Yes, perfect. We are able to see this edit contact. Now if I go into our edit contact, we need to define the form. So not define the form, we need to create the form. Let's try to create a form. And here I will have an h1 edit contact. I will try to design the form quickly. So be with me. So I am using the form which should be from imported from React router, and I will be using method is equal to post, and in this one we will be having another div. Okay, so which is a I will have one label. Okay, and in this label I will close this label, and first one is span and I can have something like span what is that one, first name. So first name, and we will be having an input type is equal to text. So placeholder is equal to first, and also we need to have name is equal to first. Okay, so this is very important, you need to mention the name. With that name only it will be sending the data. Now another div we will have it, so that is nothing but last, and here also you will be having last, and we will be having this last. Okay, so we are able to get this data. So we can have this one, instead of having a span we can have this one as a div, so that we will have one by one down div, and this one is also div. Okay, so we have completed first name and the last name, and the another one which I want to give is the Twitter label. So here Twitter handle, so Twitter, and here also it will be having placeholder is Twitter or @Jack or anything I can add it, and here we can have Twitter. So Twitter is also completed, and the last one we need to have it is an avatar. Avatar means the image, avatar URL, and here this is also a text message. So here we can have something like http example.com/avatar.jpg anything, and here I can have it as an avatar. So this is also completed, and the another one which we will be having it is the This is the last one is, so this one is the last one, not the last one, yeah, notes. We will have a notes. So these are the only things left, notes. And here we won't have this text box. We will be having a text area. Text area name is equal to notes. That's it. Hopefully we'll be able to see. Yeah, and at the end I will be having buttons like paragraph and button. What I can say is type is equal to submit, and we can have it as save, and the last one is the cancel. Okay, so here we should be a type is equal to button only. It should be a button. So this is something like an edit page. So don't think too much about this one. So for design and all those things, it is not the matter. We will not do it in this one. So mainly we'll concentrate on the subject only. Fine. So we have completed this edit contact. Somehow we need to route this one to the URL. So how we can route this one to the URL? Here we are having this one, right? Contact slash edit, contact slash edit. We are able to get it. Yeah, this is also working fine. Now, so edit contact means whenever we click on this edit, so we need to capture these all details, and we need to pre-populate these all things in here. Like contact slash edit you are having means we need to pre-populate it in this one. So how we can pre-populate this one? Somehow we need to send the single contact details into this one. So for this reason, what we can do is we can have a loader. So loader, and I can use this contact loader, right? So contact loader. Why? Because this loader takes this param contact ID. So we will be getting these all the things. So now here I can capture this contact here. Constant contact is equal to use loader data. So we got the contact, and here we need to show the default value. It should not be a value. Why? Because we cannot edit the change. So contact dot first. Okay, and we are able to populate the data. See, we are able to get this all data. So contact dot last, and another one is contact dot Twitter. So this Twitter is also completed, and here we need to have avatar. So here avatar, and the last one is the notes. So you can show this one as notes. That's it. So we are able to show these all values. Now, so now here we have completed the basic thing. So now what we need to do here, everything is completed. Contact.notes is also completed. So this is how we will be populating the data. Now if you try to go into here, and if I click on this edit, and edit, if I have this edit, so we are able to populate this all data. Fine, right? Now what we need to do is, in the next video, when we try to submit this form, we need to update the contact details in the existing contact. So that is the thing we need to do it. In the next video, we will try to implement this one. So what I will try to do is, I will try to create a new branch, video-103, and I will commit these all the details like edit contact form, and I will commit these all the things, publish this branch, and that's it. So we have published this branch. So now if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. And if you want to refer this code and all those things, so the GitHub repository URL is provided in the description below. You can have it, take a look at that in a particular branch. Thank you.